Presenting the Tygot LED ring light with tripod stand. This ring light and tripod stand duo come in a set. The packaging also includes a rotating phone holder suitable for most smartphones. The ring light is 10 inches in diameter and the tripod stand is 7 feet tall. It's also foldable and lightweight. The product dimension is 45 by 6 by 10 centimeter. The total weight of the setup is 340 grams. This combo is extremely useful for photography, shooting makeup videos, live streaming and interviews. You can also use it for video calls while working from home. It's compatible with most devices that support USB ports such as laptops, PCs, mobile power, USB chargers, and AC adapters. The high power 10 watts LED ring light helps you adjust the color temperature and brightness easily without using any filters. The three different lighting modes that it offers are white light, natural light, and warm bright. Each lighting mode has 9 adjustable brightness levels to meet your requirements. The installation is easy and you can do it yourself without any assistance. The rotating 360-degree phone holder combined with the retractable tripod helps you capture professional images and videos. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.